Welcome, welcome to hold on how to install Arch Linux. Super easy way. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. It's super easy. That's what it says in the title. Super easy. This is like my fourth iteration of how to install Arch Linux. It changes every fucking year, so I might as well just update it. My last Arch Linux stuff was I think it's like 8 months ago. But I said it because I'm in a good mood. I've learned a lot. You've learned a lot. We're all learned something. Hopefully, my voice isn't too loud. According to OBS, it seems to be, I don't know, satisfactory, I guess. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Hello. Hello. Eh, yeah. I'll see when I edit and shit. All right, let's get to it. Let me turn this on. Turn on the old VirtualBox. That's the best way to do it. Okay. Alright, you might be seeing a black screen here. That's alright, because I'm going to show you it. I think it's this one. Ah, there you go. You can see it now. E. I wonder if I can get rid of that. Can I just put in full screen? So I can do it in full screen. Full screen mode. Let's see how that looks. Note that a host key is currently defined as right control. Okay. Okay, that didn't fucking work. uh, let's try it anyway. Hold on, folks. I'm gonna get you the full experience here. Is it this? No. Okay, there it is. Let's do screen capture. All right. This is the Arch Linux boot disk. So we're gonna start. Look, the newest version has this speech mode. That's that's kind of funny. Let's just start regular. Ugh, there it goes. What's this? Mouse pointer. Don't show me that anymore. Hopefully you guys can see. Uh, 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 I guess that sounds like I'm head from the Lion King. Drinking my hot cocoa. It's Cadbury hot chocolate. It's pretty good. Apparently, I didn't put enough scoops because I taste more milk than chocolate. I think it's kind of hard to tell. Mm. As you can see, this version of Arch Linux is 5.9.2. Can you believe that? We're up to 5.9. Man, I remember when I started, it was back in kernel version 3, Linux version 3. I remember back in Red Hat days. And Mandrake, was it Mandrake 7.2 when it was like version 2.4? I mean, that was a long time ago. That was like 21 years ago, man. Boys, time has flown. Mm-hmm. Mm. Ooh, 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 too hot, too hot. Ooh, that's burning my esophagus a little bit. Ooh, ooh, you'll send me, Sam. Ooh. That screen looks a little too tiny. I don't know, folks. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. For now, I'm gonna put in window mode for y'all so you can see a little better eyes. There you go. Let's just do that for now. Ain't gonna hurt. All right. First thing first. There is some lesson. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. I have a tablet. If I can find it. I don't. Oh, I see it now. Where's my fucking pen? Where is my pen? My digital pen. I don't see my digital pen. It's gotta be here. Oh, it's gotta be here. Oh, it's gotta be here. Mm. Hold on, folks. I don't find my digital pen here. Where did I put it? It didn't go anywhere. Like it's gotta be here in this room. Oh, I see it. Okay. That scared me. Thinking it's like what, $20, man? That's expensive for me, man. All right. See, in the later lessons, I can show you how the kernel works. I'm gonna show you how to use the LS method, like LS USB, LS mod. You can see the modules, how they work, how the audio works, and the desktop, and then the X server, and all that junk. It's really fucking cool. Listen, I ain't even fucking started yet. All right, let's do this. Does F disk? Let's start with F disk. Does that work? Oh, right. F disk slash L dash L. Okay, the hard drives you can see it's 100 gig. I put in. Cool. All right. Well, it's probably not even initialized yet. I'm assuming. So let's do that. What I use is I think it's called CF disk. I believe. Let's do it this way slash dev slash STA. Now, can I can I use a mouse? Can the mouse see this? No, well, that's unfortunate. Well, you can see where it says slash dev slash SDA. Normally on a serial hard drive, it'll be listed, always usually listed as SDA. Could be SDB if you have two hard drives, or it could be S, or it could be I. What's the IDE form? I don't remember. You probably don't see IDE hard drives these days anyway. Doesn't matter. You'll either see SDA, SDB, and you might see SDA1, meaning partition 1, SDA2, partition 2 on SDA, all that stuff. So, start. Oh, yeah, see, it's not even initialized. Uh, I usually put on DOS if it's under 2 terabytes, but because hard drives are really fucking large these days, you want to put a GPT. I gotta show you guys how to put the BIOS for GPT partition tables. You gotta add another partition that specifically for the BIOS. It's required. Unlike the classic MBR master boot record DOS partition table, you don't have to do that. You just put in your partitions up to 4. You know, well, 4 primary, and you got your extension partition stuff. But since everything's all modern, knowing the MBR partition layout is going out of phase because hard drives are not less than 2 terabytes these days. It's more than 2 terabytes. So we're gonna go to GPT partition table, just like that. And first things first, we're gonna make a new partition table. Size, make it. Oh, how big is it for BIOS? That's a good question. Let's put 100 meg. Not that big fucking deal. All right. We're gonna change the type. Right now it's Linux file system, but we're gonna change the type. We're gonna put in BIOS boot. All right. Now we got more space, so we can create a new one. Let's make it just 90 gig. We're never gonna use 90 gig for this sample here. So I'm gonna put in 90 gig. That's going to be the main Linux partition. Alright. So I'm going to change the type. Oh, it's different. Man, each new version is a little different. Okay, well, whatever. I don't think it matters. Okay, now this, the leftovers, we'll create new. Make the leftovers, sure, about 11 gig. Now I'm going to change its type to swap. So you have the BIOS boot, then you have the Linux main file system, which is going to be extension 4 later on, and then you have the Linux swap. After all that's said and done, you can go ahead and write, say yes. Partition table has been altered. That's good. Now you can quit. All right, this has been laid out. It's got the foundations, if you will, like building a house. You build a foundation first. That's what you just did. We built a foundation of the layout, and now we're gonna start building. Now we're gonna put partitions on it. We're gonna format it, build on the wood and shit. You know, analogies. Mm. Oh, that's still very warm. Good. Good old European hot chocolate. All right. That's what. That's the next step. Oh, right. There's this program called was it Make Swap, Make FS, I believe. I'm going this on the fly here. I believe it's, see, now you want to format it. So make MKFS, which I'm assuming stands for Make File System. Dot what type of file system? We're gonna make it to extension 4. There's extension 2, extension 3, and there's BTRFS, and there's RiserFS. You know, the guy who murdered his wife. YouTube that. It's pretty funny. Not really funny. And then where slash div. I think that's how you do it. Shit, I'm starting not to remember. Oh! See, now you got, see, this is the whole hard drive, and then what partition? Remember, it is on SDA2. See, it says on the top. So, you want to format it on SDA2, because that's where it is. If you look on the top, on the old CF disk program, the very top of the screen, where it says SDA2, that's where our main file system is going to be. So, that's where you're going to put it, and enter. And just like that, it's ready to roll. All right, there's another one you gotta do. You gotta format the swap. So I believe it's MK swap, I believe, and then device SDA 3. Hey, it was right. Cool beans. Now we build the foundations, and we got the wood. We set up the wood things. Oh, okay. Maybe the layout's more like set up the ground, the soil, and then format is more like the foundations, or a little both. See, I'm good at analogies. Oh, see those super block backup storing blocks? So in case the hard drive fucks up somehow, you can recover by going to these little super block backups. You see it, 819 200 884 736. You see that? With super blocks backups. So you can restore. See if it's something bad happens to the file system, gets corrupt. There's backups of the metadata shit. So you can restore it by going to the super block backups, and I'll be like, oh yeah, I know all the info's now, and then boop, you're back in business. But we'll do that later, a bit way later in the lesson here. All right, now we got that done. Now we can, I believe. Oh, we gotta mount. We gotta mount it. So, we gotta mount the new partition. Be device SDA2. Where I usually put in MAT, which I'll teach you guys what that means, the file system, its location and stuff. There's a really good YouTube video about that. I should put on the link on the description soon. It's this guy he's a Linux guy just like I am. Yeah, he describes it. He posted that video not too long ago, actually, a couple weeks ago. So it's really new. He explains it really well about each folder, what means and what it does. Really cool. Maybe I'll do a few of them of those. Well, at least a few important ones. Mm-hmm. Let's mount that fucker. All right, it's mounted. Now, Arch Linux has this installation mini things. So you go pack strap. Uh-oh. No, that's right, yeah. I believe it's this. And then the base packages. So now, package is going to build the foundation of sorts of the Linux basic OS shit. So we're going to install the base packages, the bare bones, and then I believe, and then the development packages with it. And here's the thing: it doesn't install the actual Linux kernel. It just installs the bare bones, but the actual Linux kernel. So you want to put that in there too. But we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this one by one. But at least have those. And there it goes. Let's install them. Isn't this fun? Aren't you guys enjoying this? I know I'm enjoying this. Oh, oh, oh. Mm-hmm. Mm. And that's delicious. Delicious. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, delicious. Do 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 do. Mm-hmm. It takes a while. Mm-hmm. So, guys like them Bengals? I know I don't, because I don't know shit about them, because I don't watch sports. Let's see what else happened here. Let's see. Trump lost, and Trump's finally kind of, sorta admitted to conceding to get the Biden administration can start or whatever. Thanksgiving's in 2 days. That's cool. I like Thanksgiving. Won't be able to celebrate it because of the virus. Kind of sucks. But hey, what can you do? You know? And, what else happened in the world? Hmm. Holy moly, it's 1:52 in the morning? Huh. That's interesting. What is going on in the world? What's it doing? What things you got to do? Cool. It's done. All right. Now we're gonna go inside the system of sorts to get on our actual OS. To do that, you go Arch root. You got shred it in. Oh shit, I don't know how to do that. I think it says. So it is that. Uh, okay. Can I ping? I can ping. Uh, there we go. Control C. Interrupt. Cool. It's a working. Ha, mamma mia. 40 millisecond ping. All right. We're connected on inside our little OS, our actual OS. But it's no Linux. Even though we shoot it in, there's not an actual Linux. You have to put the actual Linux kernel in. It's just a bunch of folders. See, look, ls. Yeah, see, it's just a bunch of folders with no brain. There's just limbs and livers and stomachs and legs and fingers, but no brain. There's no core. It can't do anything without a brain. So we gotta put some brain in there. So let's give it a brain, shall we? All right. Let's see. Let's go. Oh yeah. I don't have the sudo right now. Let's see. I believe it's Pacman, package manager, and we're going to install Linux. And don't forget, put in the headers. You need the headers for other apps, which you call these guys these days, so the other softwares can compile with the Linux kernel. You gotta put in DKMS. That makes it easy. That installs some modules and stuff. It gets the modules to updates itself, so you have to recompile on each kernel update. I'll teach you that till later. If you're new to Linux and you're watching this, I can teach you all that because I got the brains. See, because it needs the brains. Anyway, got the Linux kernel. It likes headers, so the application stuff and the programs can compile with the Linux and put in DKMS for the modules to update itself anytime. So that way, each time you update the Linux kernel, the modules that's for the can update it automatically for the most part. I think most programs has DKMS capability these days anyway. All right, and you need Grub. You gotta have the bootloader, and I use Grub. So that should do it. Okay. All right. Look at that Linux version 5.9. I cannot believe that. Man, that is fucking amazing. If I do say so myself. There you go. See, now it's installing the actual Linux. We're getting at some brains finally. The core. Gotta put the headers in. Gotta have those. Yeah. I forgot to put the F step stuff, didn't I? I think I did. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do that. Do it the old-fashioned way. Get that. Oh, that's just not gonna work right. I forget. It's like F step dash U. Uh, I'll show you guys later. Or we can do it manually. I'm probably just gonna do it manually. So now it's actually building. Let's get hooking everything up. You guys ever play Freedom Force for the regular Nintendo? That's what I'm referencing. Oh, that's some good music. Man, I love the soundtrack of NES games. Man, there's some great ones. Double Dragon, that's some good music. Double Dragon has some good music for Nintendo. Freedom Force, basically all the Sunsoft games got the great soundtrack. Batman soundtrack, Blaster Master soundtrack. Oh man, fucking great, man. Ah, some good music, man. Ooh yeah. By the way, I suggest you hooking up directly on your on the Cat 6 instead of a Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, maybe I should show you that too later on. But I recommend just hooking up on just straight from the cord. What else I gotta do to make this thing fucking work? It's slow at first. Hooking up, installing it on an arch. It's slow first, but once you got everything set up, the basics, the bare bones set up, then it gets a little easier. Then you can start really kicking ass by installing other packages. It's like Lego. It's like building a Lego. And you're getting the Lego pieces and hooking them up. Build some skyscrapers. Like we all did when we had our Legos. Or Lego. Sound kind of a word. I don't know if you guys can hear that whirring, but that's the sound of the fan going bad. Because this computer I'm using is the, how you say in English, janky. Oh, good. It's finally done. Uh, I need to go to FSTAB. Oh, there's no nano. I don't have a way to. Well, there's. I don't think I have VI either. There's no text editor, is there? No, there isn't. They left out VI on Arch. They removed it as one of the base packages for some damn reason. I don't know why they did that. I think it's fucking dumb. Whatever. All right, gotta get the text editor. I know to use Nano, but I'll put in both because a lot of other software uses VI by default. Like when you're doing user repository AUR packages, you gotta have VI in there. So, so we'll install them both. Oh, you know what else? I'm gonna put in screen fetch. I should have done that as the first package to show you how simple it is. Screen fetch is optional, by the way. I'm just gonna show you. It just shows you like your gig of sorts. See, look, screen fetch. Look at it. It only has 159 packages. Can you believe that? It's so simple. It's so simple. Can you believe that? Kernel 5.9, Arch Linux, shell, init. This is just basically true. Isn't it beautiful? It's so simple. Anyway, let's set up our fstabbers. I think it's fstab, etc. Oop, I'm fucking up more. All right. Uh, how does this work? We're gonna use the old-fashioned way for now. Later on, we're just gonna use the UUID later on. But for now, we're just gonna do this quick and dirty. All right. I believe it's SDA 2, and then root directory extension 4. It's a defaults 00. I don't think that's right. No, I don't think that's right. And then this, SDA3, and then swap, swap, and then defaults. I think it's 0 is 1. Uh, huh. Just a sec. I'm gonna look up the internet real quick. Arch F stab. It's either 0 1 or 0 0. Ah, 0 0 for swap in 0 1. Oh, it's his effect. Child file system check sets the order for file system checks at boot time. For the root device, it should be 1. For other partitions, it should be 2 or 0 to disable checking, or 0 to disable checking. Okay. See, I could. Maybe I should put a home directory as its own partition. Nah. I'll show you guys how to later do that later too. So it's 1. File chicken. File chicken. File system check 1. Defaults. Defaults. So yeah, I did it right. I did it okay on that one. All right, we'll save it. Now it's been F stabbed. This will mount the partitions on boot. It's very important because if you don't do F stab, it's gonna have it won't write. So you're gonna have a bunch of errors when you try to do like commands, and it's gonna say like, oh, I can't do anything. And I don't remember the errors were anymore because my memory's failing. All right, we got that. What else? What else? What else? Oh, uh, the UTF, the system locale gen. Gotta do that. I believe it's. There you go. We'll uncomment these. I just do 2. I don't think it matters. I think that's all you put this one as. Uncomment this. I think it does everything else. But I do both. Because why not? Alright, you save. And then. Oh, yeah, look how you generate the locals. There's something about the time zone. Set in the time zone. I don't remember how to do that either. Maybe it's over here. Folks, do you see where it says time zone or something? It's not really too important because I know you don't set that up, but you should, depending where you are. I'm in like in the -5 time zone. Man, I really don't remember how to do that. Oh, sudoers. Yeah, I gotta do that too. Yeah, let's set up sudoers. You gotta have sudo privileges. So user group wheel. That's what I usually do. You can do sudo too. Put in a sudo user group. Ah, shit. That's not a good. You don't want to do that. I don't know why it does that. There you go. Well, I'll comment those. All right. Control X. Save file. All right. Now we're gonna set up the bootloader. Is it? Let's type in grub install. We're gonna use grub as our bootloader. To device. SDA. That's where the hard drive is. Okay, installation finished. No way report. Now we're gonna set it up. We're gonna configure the grub. Grub. mkconfig. And it's located in boot. Grub. And then grub. CFG. -O. So you can see the output. I think that's what that does. Requires an argument. Okay. I think it's over here. There it goes. Found Linux image. That's good. It found the init image. That's a good sign. It found a Linux kernel and it found the initializing thingy majig. That's good. This is all good. What else? Oh, you gotta have network. Because if you don't install that, you'll be shit out of luck. Then you have to go use the boot disk, then go all the way, and you gotta shroot it back in just to put this in here, DHCP CD. Later on, we're gonna replace it with Network Manager, but for now, DHCP CD will do the trick. What, cat? What do you want? There you go. Good, 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 good. All right, I think we're ready to actually finally log in to our OS. So no more bootstrapping. Cool. All right, should be good to go. Let's reset this thing. Reset. Oh, yeah. The boot is still in. We're running to boot existing OS. Grub is loading. Good. This is good. Grub got booted successfully. And see if it'll log into Linux. Linux looks like it's going to load. It's still running. Loading. Oh, good. Initial RAM disk. This is good. This is good. A little slow, but this is good. Why is it slow? Let's see. Processor. Enable. Oh. I thought I enabled that. It's capable. Let's see. Oh, good. Look at that. We're finally our own OS. It's successfully booted, man. We did everything right. All right. Our own OS, man. It's bootable. We're finally in. It's independent. It no longer depends on its bootstrapped from the boot disk. It can boot itself. It gave birth to. No more mother needs. No more placenta you're dependent on. You're independent. Your lungs are finally working on its own. You're born. You're ready to roll. So let's log in. Oh shit, there's no password. God damn it. Hold on. Hold on. Oh no, I forgot to set the password! Ah, no! I forgot to set the password! I don't know, is it root? Eh? Shit. I gotta reboot it. See, this is what happens. If you forget something, this shit happens. God damn it. Ah! I knew I forgotten something. I forgot to set the fucking password. See what I mean? If you forget something, you gotta load back it up. Do with this. You gotta bootstrap it in there. You gotta shroot it in. And then you set the password and you can log back out and reboot it. This shit happens. I knew I was forgetting something. I knew it. I knew it. I should have known. I should. I should have known. But no. I'm a dum dum. I'm a big dum dum. Me dumb. Me dumb dum long time. Uh, Man, come on. It's really fucking annoying sometimes. Alright. We gotta mount it back in. Remember, /SDA 2 mount. Let's archroot it back in. Password root. Now I guess it's the password. We're just gonna put T for tits. So T retype password. now I got the password in. Okay, now we're gonna reboot it. Why I had a fucking hell, man. Booting this no OS. Grub's booting up. Booting to Linux. Kids, I tell ya. Kids. Man. I can't believe I did that. How very silly of me. I'm a silly man. Silly, silly buns. Silly man. Silly buns. I don't know why it takes forever to do this. Really. That looks System D. Version 246. Alright. Roots. T for tits. There! We're finally fucking in! Check this out. Look at that. Bare fucking bones. Let's DF this shit. Look at that. Is swap turned on? Yes, swap is turned on. Let's screen fetch. Shouldn't be this fucking slow though. See, now it says kernel 5.9 packages 160 shell bash. Pretty fucking cool, man. Now everything's just bare fucking bones. Let's look at LS modules. Let's look at the list. This list of modules. See what it has. This list of modules that's that the kernel's using up and running. You'll see your drivers, like your video driver, your audio driver, USB drivers, and all that junk. Any other modules that the other software uses, it'll be on there. If it'll let me scroll up, it's a shift page. It should be page up. Page up, you dipshit. Should shift up, control up. No, it should be fish page up. What is going on? Is it scroll lock? Is it a scroll lock issue? It won't let me scroll up. I can't show you everything. Hold on. Input, keyboard. Is there a way I can turn on scroll lock? Soft keyboard. What's that? Okay. Scroll lock's turned on. Okay. Shift scroll up. Why? Come on. Well, that's the modules. At least part of it. Uh, Maybe I'll show you that later inside the GUI. But yeah, you see the CD-ROM, you see the extension for the VBox guest, and install that. That's pretty cool. Let's look up LSUSB. Okay, so it doesn't have that command yet. What else? LSPCI. There you go. This is all the PCI stuff, like your card, your USB controller, your Ethernet, your audio. It's very handy. Maybe I'll show you later. Let's see. Looks like we're not connecting internet. This is what you do. We're going to go to this thing called System Control. And we're going to start. So you want to System Control start services. Services like your network or your desktop, which I'll show you. DHCP-CD. So that should be working now. Okay. We're connecting internet now. This is good. All right. Now, next step is to set up our desktop. Now, on the VirtualBox, I think the driver is already installed for VGA. Yeah, the VGA driver is probably already installed. I believe. Yeah. If not, I can just install that too. So we're gonna pick our desktop. We gotta get three things: our window manager, our desktop manager, and the desktop. I don't remember what it's called. I think I'm having those confused. I'll show you what I mean. Oh, wait. We're in root. Nah, we can't be on root when to do this. No, no, no. We gotta have a username. So we gotta create a user. So, let's do that. I believe it's user add. Hyphen L. No, it's hyphen G. Dash M. Irvin. That'd be me. Group. Wheel. I think that's how that goes. Group M. Okay, well. I think it's this. Cat, what do you want? Group earn. Why am I losing memory? Is it? Oh. Oh, I see. I mean, it's this way. There we go. Okay. So, I just create a username, Irvin, and then group wheel, which is one of the sudoers, one of the admin privileges. Let's set a password for Irvin. We'll make it T for tits again for simple sake. Okay. Creator Urban's been created. Let's log out. Urban. Username Urban. All right. Check it out. See, look. I got pretty colors. Okay. Now we're going to sudo pacman. Gotta have administrative privileges to install packages. We're going to get our window manager. There's SDDM. There's a GDM. There's light DM. Those are the window. I think those are called window managers. So I use SDDM. What desktop? There's desktop like GNOME. There's Cinnamon. There's KDE. All kind of sorts of things. But I like Cinnamon, so I'm gonna put in Cinnamon. And then the Windows server got Xorg, and you got Wayland. Xorg is the popular ones, so I'm gonna put Xorg. I think it's Xorg. So we got slow review. The I think it's called a login manager. Yeah, this is a login manager. Login manager SDDM, desktop Cinnamon, window manager Xorg. I believe that's how it goes. Put in a default, sure. Oh, I forgot to install the terminal for it. I usually use XFSE for terminal. I think Cinnamon comes with Nemo. Yeah, so I don't have to do that. But it does need GNOME terminal to make it kind of worky. So, we're going to get our desktop now. Isn't it exciting? Isn't it cool? I think it's cool. Why not? It's 2:26 in the morning. Yuck, 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 yuck. What's the temperature in here? 65 degrees? No, it's 66 degrees in here. Just the way I like it. Brisky. I like the temperature. Feels good. So about them Yankees. I don't watch sports either. Let's see what else. I'll say. Oh, look, I see Nemo. So that's cool. What else? See, once you install the basics, it gets easier. It gets a little easier at a time. And then we got to install the AUR, the user repository. Those are important too. I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty fucking cool. And I showed you guys how to do ls mod, kinda. And then LSUSB, LSPCI, those are helpful tools you guys need to know. Yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Maybe it does need VirtualBox guests in this thing. That'll be its quote unquote video drive. Because normally you have to install a video drive. If you have ATI, you install ATI video drivers. If it's NVIDIA, you install NVIDIA. So along with the window manager, login manager, and desktop manager, you install also. Actually, you install the video driver first, and then you install the window manager, the login manager, and then the desktop manager. So I recommend NVIDIA because that's just the easiest, most supported uh, video card for Linux. It's just easier. NVIDIA I recommend all the way for Linux if you want to go that route. Look at that thing go. So much to do. So much time. Okay, after this, I'm gonna have to install the terminals. I'll install 2 of them, and then I think that's it. Oh, network manager. I think network manager installs along with cinnamon, so I may not need to do that. We'll see. There's quite a few steps. Oh, I just saw network manager. Don't need to do that. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans, bruh. Man, my furnace has not been kicked in at all for this month because it's been kind of warm. It's right now. It's currently set at 65 degrees. That's when it kicks in. If it goes below 65, it'll kick in. So I've been saving my gas bill a little bit doing that. And my pipes are fine. You don't want to leave your house too cold because you'll risk bursting your water pipes, and that's a very expensive fix. And I don't think your house insurance will probably cover that. I don't think they will. I don't think it's covered. So you gotta be aware of that. Luckily, my water pipes are like in the center of the house, so it's pretty warm and cozy anyway. So I'm not likely to have bursted pipes. Fortunate for me. Look at that, man. It's a long time. See, it's doing a DKMS thing. Oh no, it's doing an initialize CPIO thing. I think DKMS is there somewhere. Which is all normal. It's all normal. Let's see, what can I do? Uh, can I show you guys anything I can do? Nah. In due time, in due time. Boy, sure this thing has fucking time. Now when I newer computers, it's faster than this. You guys can skip a little further on the YouTube player if you guys wish. I'm just chilling and I'm out of cocoa. I don't feel like eating more cocoa right now. Yeah. Hergen, Durgen, Bergen. Good God, it sure is taking its time. It shouldn't be this slow though. I could have sworn the virtual thing. Hold on. That's the page in inactive execution engine. Yeah, it's using the virtualization. Yeah, whatever. Oh, just figure out like. Oh, it's done finally. All right. Let's install the terminals because without it, I won't be able to do anything. We're gonna install XFCE4. This is what I use, and then we're gonna install no terminal for Nemo. Yes. Oh, do you guys know about the Control F2? Oops. Well, if you press Control Alt F2 or Control F3 all the way to F7 or F9, there's different win screens. So F1, which you're at right now, this is a Control Alt F1, and if you hit Control F2, it brings up another window. It'll say like login. You log in root. So you have like two. It's like having two windows. Control F2 is TTY2. Control Alt F3 is TTY3. They're different screens, different logins. They're independent of each other. So in case your desktop freezes or one of your terminals is, one of like this screen, if this frozen, you can say Control Alt F2 to kind of backdoor it, log in there on TTY2, and you can just hit the top, and you shut down that program that was freezing up, and you can go back to Control Alt F1 and go back to where it was. I can wish I can show you it, but oh wait, maybe I can. Uh, Input, insert, enter host combo. Send the host combo sequence to the virtual machine. Uh, Soft keyboard. Oh, here we go. Control Alt F2. Yeah, see, look. Control Alt F3. Control Alt F4. Now if I put in. Now if I put in Irvin. Let's see. Yeah. See, it's top. It's like Task Manager. All right. Now Control Alt F1. Look at that. Different screen. That's what I mean. There's Control F2. Control Alt F3. I don't know what window I used. There's a TTY4. Now F7 is usually the desktop manager. Sometimes, most of the time it's F1. So we're gonna go back to F1 TTY1, and then we're gonna start it. To do that, you sudo system control. You start, and then you bring up to start the desktop. You're gonna start the login manager SDDM. This is how you do it. And here we go. Let's see. So far, it's working. Ah, there you go. Look at that. Cool beans. This is the SDDM login manager right here. See, look. Cinnamon will be the desktop. You can add in more desktops like LXDM, GNOME, KDE, LXDE, XFCE, many things. Many different types of desktops. But my favorite is Cinnamon. So let's log in. I wonder if it has sounds. It might have sound in there. I don't know why it's going so. Oh yeah, I only gave it 1 gig of RAM. I should probably double that. Oh, that's gonna have been so fucking slow. Ugh. Come on. Yeah, we would play Duke Nukem 3D when he just like wait a while. He just cracks his knuckles. And he goes, "Come on, what are you waiting for? Christmas?" Oh my God! Come on, man. Check your video drivers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's what it is. Terminal should work. Yeah, it's too slow. I gotta double the RAM. That is way too slow. Yeah, that's way too slow. Okay, so no terminal isn't working. I mean, it's just being slow. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working. I'll deal with that later. Anyway, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? See, this is the desktop. Ain't it beautiful? It's very bare bones, but we got working though. Let's install the video driver. For in the VirtualBox, it's this. I think it's VirtualBox. Let's see, is tab completion work? Damn, I didn't install tab completion. No! Where's the tab complete? Is the tab complete? Ah, I don't remember. Hold on, I gotta look. Arch tab complete. Or is it bash complete? Bash completion, that's what it was. Hey, I knew it was one of those things. I gotta have a bash completion. See, this is how bare bones it is. You got if it's doesn't work for some reason, chances are it's missing that package. So you gotta go in, Google it, find the package. Okay, what else it should have in there? Let's add some chromium. Let's add chromium. Tab. Tab. It might work on a reboot. I got distracted. What was I doing? Oh yeah, VirtualBox. Tech isn't working. Yeah. Uh. Well, it's got a. Let me close it. What, cat? What do you want? Let me just power off the machine real quick. The screen will be black for just a sec. What, cat? What do you want? Oh, well, that's probably why. Let's up the 64 meg video memory. And let's double it to 2 gig. Cat, please. Let's enable that pages. Okay. There you go. This should boot up a little faster. You guys should be able to see it. Yeah, there you go. I think I can just remove the disk. There we go. The boot disk. Get that out of there now. But it's got more memory. Why is it gotta be so slow now? Why are you being so slow? System. I double its memory. Uh, let's use one CPU. Cat, please. What? Leave me alone, kitty. What do you want, cat? I already petted you. Even though it's for like microseconds. Alright. Bash completion should work now. We're gonna install the virtual driver. Come on. There we go. Tab. There we go. Uh it'll be is it guest utils or is it host? No, no, I think it should be utils. It should be guest utils. Wouldn't hurt to have the DKMS for guest too. DKMS. Oh, right. I gotta turn on the. I gotta turn on system DHCP. System control. Start service DHCP-CD. Now, if you want to start it on each reboot on each boot, you type instead of type start, you hit or hit you type in enable, and that will put in the in its boot sequence, so it'll start every time. There you go. Should be connected to the internet now. What do you mean? Oh, I didn't realize it did that. There you go. Okay, I want to turn this machine off real quick. I got to edit the system settings real fast. What, kitty? What? What do you want? You got food. You already have food. Oh, it won't let me use that nested AMD. Oh, well, that's poop. Oh, fine, whatever. What audio? Pulse audio. Okay, well, it's got that. All right, let's restart it. Ow. What do you want, cat? What do you want? What? Don't bite me. There you go. You're calming down, I guess. Alright, I guess I can just... Let me turn on the internet. System control. Start. Network. Tab. There you go. And then start SDDM. What? Cat. You... It's still loading. Oh, you guys can see it. There's a little green dot flashing at the bottom screen, on the bottom right hand corner. What, cat? What? It says currently without. It should be able to go without video hard acceleration. I don't understand why it's doing that. It should have sound too. Let's see the terminal work. It may not still be working. I might install the wrong terminal. It should be no terminal though. Yeah, we'll fix it later. Cat, please. Let's install a browser. Sudo Pacman. Pacman. Chromium. Oh, God damn it. Chromium. There you go. I wonder if I can set the screen resolution. Harder acceleration should it's supposed to work. You know what? Maybe I just need to install the guest tools recommended. Let's put a 1024 at 768. See how that works out. Cat, please. Kitty, please. What? Cat, come on. Alright. I think I can do this, see how it looks on full screen mode. Let's see for you guys. I don't know, can you guys see? Can you guys actually see? No, you guys can't even see it very well. Huh. Huh. I can't seem to get out. I can't seem to get out of it. That's the control. Oh shit. Oh, there you go. I can't get out of full screen mode. Is it F10? I don't know. It's not. It's it's not showing up. Oh shit! I'm stuck on full screen mode. Uh oh. Is it? Oh no! Oh wait. Here we go. I have an idea. We'll just use this. uh, VirtualBox full screen exits. It's supposed to pop up a little pop on the bottom. It's not doing that. Okay. So it'll be a right control F. There you go. Alright. See now we got look, we got Google activated. Alright, hold on. Let me insert the CD image. Download. Actually, I don't know how to do that. Yeah. I think it's sudo pacman virtualbox should be. Yeah, guest. Guest. ISO. Question is, how the hell do I how do I find it? Maybe I can find it on email. There it is. Uh, some way I can just open in terminal. Okay, so that doesn't work. There's a way you can set your terminal on email. Oh, whatever. Oh, it's on run. Okay. I know where you're at now, buddy. I believe it is VBox Linux Editions run. Sudo. Yes. I thought I installed that anyway. Whatever. Maybe it didn't. I mean, I got this is the way I gotta do it. I just don't remember. Oh yeah, let's after this is finished installing, let's enable those services so that way it boots up to the GUI each time, and on each boot. Not only that, you also got to enable the network manager as well. So we'll do that after this. It kind of looks like it's working. It's building the module for it, so that's good. We'll ls schmod it, or yeah, ls schmod. Let's see if it's working. Cat, please, cat. Why? What do you want? Kitty, please. I don't know what you want. Huh? Boy, this is taking its fucking time. What, cat? Hey, kit, it's me. You thought that I was dead. I got a hemorrhage in my head. ability to go back to school. You gotta work real hard. Something, something till graduation day. I don't know if it's still working. Oh, I guess it is still working. I can't. I mean, there's network activity according to this. I don't know if you can see my. Oh yeah, I guess you can see my mouse cursor. It's network activity. So I'm assuming it's still working. Let's see. I can bring up another terminal. I'm already recording like 1 hour 26 minutes. Let's see. CPU usage. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. All right. It's just taking a little while, even though it shouldn't. All right. I'll just chillax. So this Trump guy, hey fellas, I didn't vote for him. I didn't vote for Biden either. I put in a writing candidate for Holden McDickey. Holden McDickey, a good candidate, an excellent candidate. Space cop, by the way, if that's you guys were wondering where I got that. It's from like made by Red Letter Media. They made a movie. It's great. What a cat. You are bothering me, cat. Why? You are silly kitty cat. You're very silly. Ow. Cat, I don't have food. Okay. So I don't know why you're bothering me. God damn, it is taking its time. Alright. Oh no, it's still going. It's it's taking its time. You guys can skip ahead on the YouTube player while I gotta wait in real time. You guys can just skip right along. Uh, Come on. You gotta be fucking kidding. Postal 2. You guys should watch that, by the way. I made a few Let's Plays on Postal 2 on my channel. If you guys are interested. Wait, I think I made some progress here. Hey, it did. Quick setup. Modern kernels will not be replaced until the system restarted, which is true. uh, Oh my lord, it is finally done. Let's just see the list of modules. I see V-Bucks guest. Is that it? That can't really be it. Okay. Anyway, let's let's enable a couple services. System control enable SDDM. There you go. And then network manager. There, now it's set up. The next time it reboots, it'll boot those services up automatically on each reboot. Or not each boot. So, we're going to do that right now. Reset. What cat? There you go. Slowly loading up. It's almost Christmas time. Holy moly. Oh, I gotta watch movies, some Christmas movies. Huh. I got Home Alone to watch. I got Die Hard to watch. I got Christmas Vacation to watch. I got quite a few movies I can watch. Cool beans, man. Cool beans. Alright, let's see if this thing worked. Probably didn't. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Is that 800 by 600? Yeah. Well, we'll find out. Ugh. And it's still not running public. Whatever. I have to figure it out later. Let's see what's a LS mod. What am I missing? V-Bucks guest is on. V-Bucks video. There it is. Yeah. The V-Bucks video. I don't see what the problem is. What am I missing? What am I missing? Uh, huh. Those work. Let's see here. Let me see if the sound works at least. Oh. I think I know why it's not a video card. I got it's not even set up on the system settings. I believe that's what that is. Let's go to YouTube. I believe that's what that is. Let me look on the settings real quick. Enabled 3D. Yeah, okay. That's why. It's on my end. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to make it use two CPUs instead of one. it is. It is really. Oh, come on! I just want to pick a fucking video. I don't care about the channel itself. I just want to play a fucking video. You assholes. Okay, here we go. Come on. I just need to make sure the sound's working. I can hear sounds. Okay, there's sounds. Cool. Well, I'm convinced. Let me turn off the machine. Settings. Let's give it. Let's give it two CPUs. Display enable 3 acceleration. Video memory 128 meg. Click OK. There we go. That should give it a little more of a boost this time. All right, let's see how that goes now. Yeah, see, notice it's not using as much CPU power. It's in the green. I hope that's what that means. Processors too. Hopefully it's a little better this time. Oh, now it's full blast. Well, I tried. But let's see if it's already accelerated. As it should be. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I guess I can go to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's no biggie. Ain't no biggie deal. Boy, it is taking its time. I think maybe it's a little slower now. I think it's a little slower now. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a little slower now. Because it's, yeah. Trickle ping. Is that still going? No, that can't be right. Hold on a minute. Come on. Come on. Some tells me it's frozen. Let me bring out the virtual keyboard. Control Alt F2. Control Alt F1. Yeah, it is not fucking working. I don't think it's working. Let's restart SDDM. Yeah, I don't. I think enabling 3D accelerating. Oh, oh. Hey. Oh, wait. Or did it already do this before? I think it did. I think I spoke too soon here. No, it's not working. God damn it. Yeah. Let me turn it back off. No 3D acceleration. That should work. I don't know why it's had problems with it. Oh well. Oh well. My butt is big. Oh wait. Ham on. Ham on. Have a homie. Alright. You know I'm fat. I'm fat. You know it. You know I'm huge. Who's fat? No, 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 no. Do, 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 do. Boop, boop, boop. Do, 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 do. Wolfenstein 3D. Nut. Come on now. Oi. I can't believe it. I wonder why it didn't I had this problem last time. I don't know how I fixed it the last time. I don't remember. Oh, there it goes. See, now it's. I think it's working now. I don't remember. Can you believe it? There we go. Kind of sucks it's not working with a 3 accelerator, but what can you do? Boot. See, you got boot. Look at that. So simple. All right, I'm not gonna end it in here. I'd say thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 where I can teach you how to install the user repository, how to install that, how to use it, and how to use getting the modules a little more and install more important packages. So each time as time goes on, you'll start to get how Linux works, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty fucking cool. All right, all right. Have a good one, folks. Ta ta.